Today, the Sulthan Chand publishers conducted an enriching workshop for commerce teachers at MGM Central Public School, Akkulam. The workshop aimed to equip educators with advanced teaching techniques and strategies tailored specifically for the fields of accountancy and business studies. The event spanned a full day, encompassing interactive sessions, practical demonstrations, and collaborative discussions among participants. The workshop began with the prayer song by the school choir, helped for establishing a calm and concentrated atmosphere for the whole day sessions. Welcome speech was done by Dr.PRASANTH, S.R., Head of Department of Commerce from MGM Central Public School. Warmly welcomed all eminent personalities, principal of hosting school, resource persons, attendees. He expressed gratitude towards the esteemed principal, beloved resource persons, and dedicated teachers for their support in organizing the workshop. He also extended a special welcome to our distinguished resource persons CA, Dr. G.S. Gruel and Mr. R.K. Khosla. Commerce Workshop was started with an inspiring speech by our principal, Mrs. Krishna P. Nair. She highlighted the lack of awareness among parents and students regarding the opportunities behind the commerce stream. She shared lots of thought-provoking ideas for the promotion of opportunities behind commerce among parents and students. She appreciated all the participants for the efforts they took for attending the workshop. Technical Session 1 was presented by C.A. G.S. Gruel, Sir. C.A. Dr. G.S. Gruel, an exceptional educator and leader, author of popular books on accountancy for CBSE examination titled T.S. Gruel's Double-Entry Bookkeeping and T.S. Gruel's Analysis of Financial Statements. The books are published for classes in 10th and for 1 in English and Hindi. Member in many committees of NCRT Commerce Dictionary Development, E-Content Development, Project Development Group. He regularly addresses seminars and webinars for accountancy teachers and professionals, already completed around 600 such type of valuable and informative sessions. Gruel, Sir, discussed about the important topic like accounting standard, preparation of cash flow statement, cases related issue of forfeited shares, writing off loss on issue of debenture, dissolution of partnership firm, treatment of interest on capital at the time of death of a partner. He also given practice for teachers how to tackle assertion, reasoning questions, competency-based questions, and case-based questions. Technical Session 2 was presented by Mr. R.K. Khosla, Sir. Mr. R.K. Khosla has a teaching experience of about 50 years. He is also author of popular books on accountancy for CBSE examination titled T.S. Gruel's Double-Entry Bookkeeping and T.S. Gruel's Analysis of Financial Statements. He was also a faculty member of NIRC of the ICAI. The interactive session by Khosla, Sir, was a highlight of the workshop. He discussed about the principles of accounting, accounting ratios, rectification of errors, and conducted a detailed discussion on CBSE Question Paper 2024. Highlights of the workshop include around 60 teachers from 50 different schools of Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, and Kanyakumari district participated in the workshop. All the participants got lots updated ideas on enhancing scoring level of students. Both resource persons conducted interactive approach with participants by clearing queries. Printed reference materials distributed for all participants. Some of the teachers who brought peak performance in accountancy and business studies were appreciated by the publishing company. Every participant given positive comments regarding the coordination of all arrangements for the success of the Commerce Workshop. Vote of thanks was delivered by Divya Pillai, faculty of Department of Commerce of MGM CPS Distributed Prospectus of our school to all participant. She concluded the workshop with a heartfelt vote of thanks by mentioning the wholehearted support given by school management, principal, academic director, and Sulthan Chand team. She also thanked all participants from the various schools for their active involvement and enthusiasm for the whole-day session. The workshop concluded with enthusiastic participation from attendees who expressed satisfaction with the depth and relevance of the content presented. Feedback highlighted a strong desire to implement newly acquired strategies and techniques in their classrooms immediately. The event successfully fulfilled its objective of enhancing pedagogical skills among accountancy and business studies teachers, ensuring they are better equipped to prepare students for future challenges in these dynamic fields.